All right, so I'm going to show you something that is really helpful if you're working with existing PowerPoint content. You know, whatever you build in PowerPoint, in this case I've got this example here, you can always save that PowerPoint file as a video file, and that saves you from having to copy and paste it into an authoring tool. So you just need to go to File, Save As, and then you would just choose a video format, MP4 or WMV. I would choose MP4, and then you have your final output. Your PowerPoint slide deck becomes a video. Now you might want to say, well, why would I want to do that? Let me show you an example of one that Nancy Duarte's group did. So it's right here. If we come in here, this is a PowerPoint file, and I'll just move it forward a little bit, and let's just play it. And you can see all the animations, the audio narration, slide transitions, everything that you built in PowerPoint gets saved as a video. So if you have a PowerPoint slide deck that works for you, and you're happy with it, looks good, you've got animation, narration, and those things, why not just save it as a video? And then the next challenge is how do I take my video and get it into a learning management system so that it's a trackable course? So if you're using Articulate 360, we have a product called Review, which you can see I'm in right now, and I went ahead and uploaded a video. Once you have a video uploaded, which you just do from here, you just go to Upload Video. Once the video is uploaded, if you click on the little three dots, you'll see that one of the options right here is to export to LMS. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And what that's going to do is allow you to choose your LMS options, right? So you've got all the standard LMS options, and then you're going to choose what percentage of the video they need to complete to consider that a completed video or a completed course. So it's as easy as that, and you're going to hit export. You're going to get a zipped folder, and then you just upload that to your learning management system, and now that video that you created out of PowerPoint is a really simple trackable course. So hopefully that helps you. It speeds up some production, not having to completely repurpose all your PowerPoint content. And then if you're using Articulate 360, this right here is a big time saver. Just upload the video, export to LMS, and then you'll get the zipped up folder you can just upload to your learning management system.